Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we'll do that integral in front of us. But if I look at that integral, in my denominator, I have the square root of x squared minus 3x plus 2. Logically, I have to take the denominator, the square root of the denominator, like whatever is in the square root in the denominator as u. But if I take my u is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2, my du will become 2x minus 3 dx. But in my numerator, I have minus 4x plus 5. But if I look at my du, if I can have 2 times du is equal 4x minus 6 dx. So if I can have 4x minus 6 in my numerator, then my problem will become very easy. So let's rewrite that integral accordingly. So that integral, which is 5 minus 4x dx divided by square root of x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 4x plus 5 minus 6 plus 6 divided dx by square root of x squared minus 3x plus 2. Now I know that plus 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. So that integral will become minus 4x and minus 1 plus 6 dx divided by square root of x squared minus 3x plus 2. Because I want 4x minus 6 or minus 4x plus 6. I can factor out the minus outside. So minus 6 plus 5 is equal to minus 1. Yeah. So now, if I factor out the minus, it becomes minus 4x minus 6. And then I keep the minus 1 outside. Yeah? dx, all that, into parentheses, divided by square root of x squared minus 3x plus 2. So I can rewrite that integral as two integrals. The first one is minus, let's put the minus outside. Minus outside, I have 4x minus 6 divided, all that is dx, divided by square root of x squared minus 3x plus 2. And then I have the minus here, that is the minus that is here, integral of 1 over square root of x squared minus 3x plus 2, all that is dx. So now if I look at that integral here, I already have my u is equal to this, and 2 times du is equal to the numerator of that integral. So I can rewrite this as minus, and the 2 is outside because it's a constant, du divided by square root of u minus integral of 1 divided by square root of x squared minus 3x plus 2 dx. So now let's solve that integral first to get rid of it, and then I will work with the second integral after. The first integral is very easy, so let's solve it. It becomes minus 2 integral of u to the power minus 1/2 du. Because square root of u is u to the power 1/2, it's in the denominator, I put it in the numerator, it becomes negative. And that integral will become minus 2 u to the power 1/2 divided by 1/2, which is equal 4 square root of u, and then let's replace u by its value, so it becomes minus 4 here, because I have the minus here. So it becomes minus 4 square root, we said our u is equal x squared minus 3x plus 2. And let's highlight it. I will add this to my final answer. There is a plus c here, but anyway, I will add it at the end. So now let's work on the second integral, which is this here. Let's rewrite it in minus integral of 1 divided by square root of x squared minus 3x plus 2 dx. And here it won't help me to put the denominator as a u, x squared minus 3x plus 2, because I won't have the numerator anyway. So let's try to solve it in another way. Let's try to solve it with the completion of perfect square. So, because I have 3 here, I know that x minus 3 over 2, square, is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 9 over 4, But me, I have x squared minus 3x plus 2. So, I want 9 over 4 plus something, let's call it w. I want it to be equal to 2, I want to add or subtract something for 9 over 4. So my w will become 2 minus 9 over 4. And if I want to have a common denominator, I'll multiply by 4 here and I multiply by 4 here. So my w is equal 8 minus 9 over 4, which is equal minus 1 over 4. So my denominator here, it become dx divided by square root of x minus 3 over 2 square minus 1 over 4. So if you want to develop this, you come back to x squared minus 3x plus 2. So now we can say let u equal x minus 3 over 2, x minus 3 over 2. So my du is equal my dx. So my integral become minus du divided by square root of u squared minus 1 over 4. But I have a formula that resembles to this. In the formula would be, that's the formula, I'm gonna write it into a different color. Let's write it in that color. The formula would say the integral of dx divided by square root of 1 minus x squared is equal arc sin of x dx. That's a formula. So I want to make this integral resemble to this formula. So the first thing that I want is I want minus x2. So in my case, minus y2. So I'm going to factor out a minus. So I have minus du divided by square root of minus u squared plus 1/4. And then the minus, I can take it outside my square root. And then I have the minus here. Minus divided by minus is equal to plus. So it becomes integral of du divided by square root of actually this is minus here because I factored out the minus. Let's write it in a better way. When I factor out the minus, it become minus because it used to be plus here, so it become minus, and the plus and the minus become plus of the 1 over 4. So it become 1 over 4 minus u squared. But in my formula, I don't have 1 over 4. I have 1 in my formula here. So let's have 1. So to have 1, I'm gonna factor out 1 over 4. So my integral become du divided by square root of 1 divided by 4. This is 1 minus y squared divided by 1 over 4. But u squared divided by 1 over 4 is equal 4u squared. So my integral will become du, And 1 over 4, I will take it outside my square root. It become 1 over 2 square root of 1 minus 2u square, which is 4u square. I'll make it 2u square. Now it resembles to my formula, 1 minus x square. So the 1 over 2, I can take it outside the integral, which is become 1 divided by 1 over 2. It's equal to 2. So this is equal to 2 integral of du square root of 1 minus 2u square. I can say w equal to 2u square, dw equal to ddu, and then I will have 1 minus w square. But like it's obvious now, I don't want to go that way. So this equal to arc sin of 2u plus c, and now I have to put u back to its value. It is equal to arc sin of 2, but here we said u is equal x minus 3 over 2, so x minus 3 over 2 plus c, and then I can have common denominator here. Here it's equal to arc sin of 2 x minus 3 divided by 2 plus c, and here I can simplify the 2 here and the 2 there, so it is equal to arc sin of x minus 3 plus c, and my final solution would be, let's rewrite everything, integral of 5 minus 4x divided by square root of x square minus 3x plus 2 dx is equal, the first integral that I solved and I highlighted was this here. So it is minus 4 square root of, so it is equal minus 4 square root of x square minus 3x plus 2. Let's write the square in a better way. I will put the plus c at the end, plus 2 arc plus this, what I have here, arc sin of x minus 3 plus c. And that's the final answer. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me continue doing whatever I'm doing for you guys. And if you push the like button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much for listening.